What's good, YouTube? It's another day. It's your boy Topshada back with another video. I'm actually gonna switch up the videos. I was gonna do the wheels video first, but I got a part that just came in that I really want to do first, and I think it'll look better first. I'm gonna take less time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna install that. Basically, we're gonna be eliminating the fake vents that's on my car, on the doors. I got the carbon fiber door garnishes. I don't know if you guys know what those are. I'm pretty sure if you have a Supra, you know what they are. But I got the Rexspeed version. So it is what it is. The car is literally on jack stands over there. The wheels are off. So I didn't really get to start on the wheels yesterday. I was just so tired. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and install these first. And it's simple, easy stuff. I pretty much have everything. You're gonna need a 220 bit. Basically, I got that, a little pry tool, and I don't have a heat gun, so we're gonna use fucking a hair dryer, and we're gonna be taking off this bad boy hair. And my car is really dirty, so yeah, I'm be installing that today and banging that out for y'all. To be honest with you guys, I don't know, but there's a lot of videos, and you know I'm not really the guy to do like step by step, but pretty much you pull this back. There's bolts in here. That's what you're gonna take off with that. That unbolts this, and then this is connected by adhesive and some clips, and you're just gonna pull them off. And then we're just gonna reuse 2 clips on the new one and just basically stick it on, and it's gonna get rid of this vent and also add a good look because it's carbon fiber. So I'm probably gonna do like a time lapse, not too sure, but I'm gonna go ahead and bust this out. What it looks like. Fire. This thing is out. 3 clips is in, but I think we only need 2. We just gotta really clean this. This thing is dirty. And this will slide right on there. But first, we gotta clean this damn thing. Got some quick speed shine. Just gonna go ahead, take off all that dirt and clean up the little area just a little bit. Good, so we got that all cleaned up. So what I'm gonna do is I also brought some alcohol out so I can wipe it down for when I stick the 3M. But from now, let's just check the back of these real quick. I just want to put it, I showed you guys, these things are definitely different. So we're back in the house, and they did give us some screws and some attachments to put to this, but what I've done so far is, let me just be careful with the carbon. I put the clips that was on the stock ones on so far, and then I just gotta attach the attachment that goes for there. Alright, everything's on. I moved it off the table so I didn't scratch the carbon fiber, but all pieces are on and good to go. Let's get these on the car. after all this time, this install was definitely shit. God damn. It looks so good though. I couldn't screw it because I don't know, it was giving me problems. Couldn't really get the screw together, so what I did was I just put the clips in and I just double-sided it all down. I'm pretty sure it will not go nowhere.